eich hoff cyflwynydd. Welcome back, I'm Mark, your favourite presenter. Cyfres 4, cyfres newydd sbon, Pennod 1. Series 4, a brand new series, Episode 1. We've got a new season now, even the story will carry on. I had an error on the episode yesterday. I said unfed ar 20, or unfed bennod ar 20, which is 21st, not 31st. I've gone and changed it now. But yeah, anyway. We've done enough on these vigesimal numbers for now, as we've covered all the words we need to do dates. And to count, I've shown you how to do counting nouns by the episode names that I've been doing. But they can just knock the name out of bennod out of that, and they become how you say the dates as well of the month. And that's about one of the only places, and time as well, where it's still used a lot, this vigesimal stuff. So a lot of counting and other things, money and stuff, is decimal now, so we use the decimal counting system. So I'm reverting back to that for the episode numbers, so we can have more practice with that, and then we'll go back on to ordinals at some other point. Maybe a full lesson on it again, I don't know. But the numbers proved to be quite a difficult area for a lot of learners, so I just thought I'd cover it a bit more, and what better way to do it than just every day count another episode number and do it with numbers and ordinals. Anyway, waffling on. So where are we? We have, I'll do a recap of yesterday's part of the story and then I'll go on to today's. So siaradais a Llyr pan es I yn ôl I Gymru a llynedd. I spoke to Llyr when I went back to Wales last year. Dwi'n aros am ateb ganddo. I'm waiting for a reply from him. Dwi eisiau gwybod os ydy o'n mynd I weld y Cyngor. I want to know if he's going to see the council. Okay, so now we're on to today's part of the story. Dwi eisiau gwybod Beth Sy'n Digwydd. I want to know what's going on, or what's happening. Mae angen I rhywun wneud rhywbeth. Mae angen I rhywun wneud rhywbeth am y dyn yn rhif 2 ar 20. Mae angen I rhywun wneud rhywbeth am y dyn yn rhif 2 ar 20. Someone needs to do something about the man at number 22. Mae wedi bod fel hyn ers gormod o amser. It has been like this for too long. Beth bynnag, roeddwn I yno. Dwi'n gwybod beth sydd wedi bod yn digwydd. Anyway, I was there. I know what has been happening. Right. So, yes. Got some new words for today, and those new words are digwydd, gormod, bynnag, and roeddwn. And you'll have to work out what they are off the web lesson, or work it out from what I just said before. So, what else have we got on here today? There are a few more of little mutation exercises on the lesson, and all the usual good stuff, like flashcards and whatnot. So you can go through each sentence and work things out. I've changed. Oh yes, new season, new colours. We've got new colours. So in the fact that I've changed the colours of the thumbnail of the podcast, and very inventively, I've taken the blue and used its complementary colour of orange. So we get a high contrast change between seasons. So that's all good, isn't it? What have we here? And yeah, all these numbers and stuff, so we can start going over Cyfres, Pedwar, Penarina, start building up on the numbers again. You probably know them, but stick them in more. And basically, I wanted to show that you can count vigesimally, and people used to do it a lot, but you can also count with decimal as well, and people seem to do that a lot more now. But we need to know what the vigesimal is, because it still hangs around for dates, which we'll come on to in an episode on its own. And when I say dates, I mean the 31st of March. I mean, and it's still used as in like 25 to 9 when you see the time and stuff. So it happens in them systems, which you've already seen, because I've shown you a clock and I've give you a list of numbers. What about numbers? Yes, time and dates. We've not done dates yet, no, to be fair. But I have talked you through it all for the last 31 episodes. Incidentally, yesterday's episode was the 80th episode, and about 9 minutes an episode when you knock off the music and whatnot. That's 12 hours. So if you've listened to them all and you've caught up to date with this one, 12 hours you've been listening to me. Come on, well done. You deserve a gold badge that they used to have in schools, little gold badges, if you remember them. You probably do, because there's probably an age group for people who are learning Welsh or listening to me. I don't know. Maybe not. Prove me wrong. Write a message. If you're 20 years old and liking this podcast, write me a message. If you're any age, write me a message. There's people listening, so get in touch. Send me an email if you don't do it in public. But yeah, just tell me what you like and which ones you've listened to and stuff like that. Give some feedback. Go on. And if you're listening and haven't subscribed and all that, you've got to do that, haven't you, as well? Because it helps. So, right, I don't like to bang on about that. So yeah, I've changed the colours on the thumbnail there, and we've got a new season, and we're counting through these numbers. So what can I talk about now? I'll talk about some bits of sentences from these, some news stories here. So we have news links on the website as well. So for each word that I do for these little stories, I then dissect the story off into words, and you do flashcards on them, but you can also hear this audio for them and sentences for them and the audio for the sentences, and then there's news links or other articles or some website. It's linked to that word on there as well. That'll stick on. So I'll read a few of these out. So, dwi wedi cael dros 100 o pwyntiadau COVID here. I've had over 100 long COVID appointments. Is one of the headlines here. Cyhoeddi trobedol sylweddol ar daliadau tanwydd gaea I pensiynwyr. Pensiynwyr. You can guess what that is. Pensiynwyr. Pension. Yeah, it's pensioners. And it's become pensiynwyr. After E, preposition for in that case. And it's going on about announcing a significant U-turn on winter fuel payments for pensioners. Yes, so that is in the news this week. And there's links like that on the website, and you can read them and pick up on the odd word. And listen to me ramble on, and some of it might stick. So hopefully you're learning something, and I haven't really got time for anything else, so I'll bid you farewell. Hwyl fawr. Goodbye.